Chapter 1st, Similarity, Practice Set 1.3. Question number 1. In figure ABC, angle ABC is equal to 75 degree, angle EDC is equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write similarity of these two triangles by proper one-to-one correspondence. Okay, so answer. In triangle ABC and triangle EDC. In triangle ABC and triangle EDC, see here B and D are congruents. So B and D are congruents. So इथे वन टू वन्स करस्पॉन्डन्स कोणते आहे? ABC वन टू वन्स EDC. So see here angle ABC 75 and D is 75. So angle B and D are congruent. So angle ABC congruent angle EDC given or each of 75 degree. Next angle ABC, see is here EDC. So means angle C is common angle. Angle C is common angle. So angle C congruent angle C region common angle. See here B congruent to D, C congruent to C. So therefore दोन अँगल्सच्या पेयर्स काय कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत, दोन अँगल्सच्या पेयर्स कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत. सो देअरफॉर अँगल ABC सिमिलर ट्रायंगल EDC which test? A test. So triangle ABC similar triangle EDC by AA test. Got it? So, question number 2. Are the triangles are in figure similar? If yes, by which test? See here triangle PQR and triangle LMNs. PQ is equal to 6, QR is equal to 8, PR is equal to 10. In triangle LMN, LM is equal to 3, MN is equal to 4, LN is equal to 5. So in triangle PQR and triangle LMN आपण यामध्ये रेशो चेक करूया. सो PQ अपॉन LM, PQ is equal to 6, LM is 3, 3 ones are 3 2s are. Suppose this is equation 1. QR upon MN, QR upon MN, QR is 8, MN is 4, 4 ones are 4, 2s are, so 2. Second, next PR upon LN, PR upon LN, PR upon LN, PR is 10, LN is 5, 5 ones are 5 2s are. So from 1 to 3, from 1 to 3, see here 2 2 2, right hand side is 2 2 2, सो राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल है, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या होगा? सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी क्या हो जाएगी? इक्वल हो जाएगी. इथे LHS इक्वल आहे, सो RHS इक्वल आहे, तो LHS पण काय असेल? इक्वल असेल. सो देअरफॉर PQ अपॉन LM इज इक्वल टू QR अपॉन MN is equal to PR upon ln. So therefore triangle PQR similar triangle LMN. Which test? See here. तिन्ही साइडचे रेशो काय आहेत? इक्वल आहेत, म्हणजे प्रपोर्शन मध्ये आहेत. ओके, तिन्ही साइड काय आहेत? प्रपोर्शन मध्ये आहेत. सो तिन्ही रेशो इक्वल आहेत. So test it SSS test. SSS similarity test. Okay, SSS similarity test. Got it? So next question. Question number 3. As shown in figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. See here, AC is a pole and PR is a pole perpendicular to the ground. Here QR is a ground, BC is a ground. AC is equal to 8 meter and this is a 4 meter. 8 meter and PR is a 4 meter. If the length of shadow of smaller pole is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of bigger pole? How long will be the bigger shadow of bigger pole at the same time? So see here, PR is a pole, QR is a shadow of PR. Here AC is a pole, BC is a शॅडो ऑफ AC. सो ही जी शॅडो आहे ती एकाच वेळी पडलेली आहे, सेम टाइम मध्ये, आणि सेम टाइम मध्ये ही सावली किंवा शॅडो आहे. सो पोल आणि शॅडो यांना आपण जॉईन केल्यानंतर काय झालं? एक ट्रायंगल तयार झाला. हा पोल, BC इज अ शॅडो, AB जॉईन केल्यावरती काय तयार झालं? एक ट्रायंगल. हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल काय असणार आहेत? सिमिलर असणार आहेत. हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल काय असणार इथे? सिमिलर. सो देअरफॉर ट्रायंगल ABC सिमिलर ट्रायंगल PQR. ABC सिमिलर ट्रायंगल PQR. So what is given? PR given, QR is equal to 6, BC is equal to X फाइंड करायचे आहे, AC is 8. So ABC similar triangle PQR. So therefore AB upon PQ, first two, second third is equal to BC upon QR, AC PR. So AC upon PR. Corresponding side of similar triangle. So AB is equal to AB PQ. AB upon PQ is equal to BC is equal to X, QR is equal to 6, AC is equal to 8, PR is equal to 4. So therefore X upon 6 is equal to 8 upon 4. So cross multiply. X into 4 is equal to 8 into 6. Therefore X is equal to 8 into 6 upon 4. 4 ones are, 4 twos are. X is equal to 12. 6 into 2, 12. 2 into 6 is 12. So X is equal to 12. So therefore, the shadow of bigger pole, therefore length of shadow of bigger pole is equal to 12 meter. Therefore length of shadow of bigger pole is equal to 12 meter. Next example, question number 4. In triangle ABC, AP perpendicular to BC, BQ perpendicular to AC, B dash P dash C, A dash Q dash C, then prove that triangle CPA similar triangle CQB if AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12, then find AC. So AC is equal to how much? AC ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला काय करायचे? फाइंड करायचे. So in triangle CPA and triangle CQB, in triangle CPA and triangle CQB, angle P is equal to 90, angle Q is equal to 90. So angle CPA congruent angle CQB, CPA congruent angle CQB each of 90 degree. Each of 90 degree. And angle C is common. See here. CPA CQB means angle C is a common. Angle C congruent angle C, reason common angle. So therefore triangle CPA similar triangle CQB by AA similarity test, by AA similarity test, by AA similarity set. Then prove that angle CPA similar triangle CQB. So therefore triangle CPA similar triangle CQB by AA test. Next, if AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12, then find AC. So triangle CPA similar triangle CQB. Therefore CP upon CQ is equal to PA upon QB, CA upon CB. Corresponding side of similar triangle. So what is given? AP is given. So CP upon CQ, AP is equal to 7, QB is equal to 8, BC is equal to CA and BC is equal to 12. So 7 upon 8 is equal to CA upon 12. So cross multiply 8 into CA, 7 into 12. Therefore CA is equal to 7 into 12 upon 8. 4 2s are 4 3s are. So is equal to 7 3s are 21 upon 2. So is equal to 21 upon 2 is 10.5. Therefore, CA is equal to 10.5. Therefore, AC. So CA means AC. Therefore, AC is equal to 10.5. Question number 5. Given in trapezium PQRS, side PQ parallel to side SR, AR is equal to phi AP, AS is equal to phi AQ. Then prove that SR is equal to phi PQ. SR is equal to phi PQ. So what is the given? AR is equal to AR is equal to phi AP. Therefore, AR upon AP is equal to phi upon 1. Suppose this is 1. AS is equal to phi AQ. AS is equal to phi AQ. Therefore, AS upon AQ is equal to phi or phi upon 1. Phi upon 1. So from 1 and 2, phi upon 1, phi upon 1. राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल है तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी क्या हो जाएगी? इक्वल हो जाएगी. सो फ्रॉम 1 and 2, AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ. Suppose this is equation 3rd. Now, PQ parallel to SR. PQ parallel to SR. PQ parallel to SR, or see here in triangle ASR, in triangle ASR and triangle AQP. ASR and triangle AQP. So AR upon AP, see AR upon AP, AR upon AP is equal to AS upon AQ from third, and angle SAR congruent to angle QAP. SAR congruent angle QAP, vertically opposite angles. So SAR congruent QAP, vertically opposite angles. So therefore triangle ASR similar triangle AQP, which says दो साइड का रेशियो इक्वल है, साइड के बीच वाला एंगल कॉन्ग्रेंट है. सो देयरफॉर which says SAS similarity test. SAS similarity test. Therefore AR upon AP is equal to SR upon QP. SR upon QP, corresponding side of similar triangle AR upon AP. AR upon AP is 5 upon 1 is equal to SR upon QP. So cross multiply. SR into 1 is SR. SR is equal to phi PQ. Phi QP. So this SR is equal to phi QP. So therefore SR is equal to pi QP. Therefore SR is equal to phi PQ. So SR is equal to phi PQ. QP means what? PQ. SR is equal to phi PQ. Understood? Thank you.